Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm trying out this ARACELI Azteca Eyes con Agave Eyeshadow Duo that I got in the shades Copper and Chocolate in my July 2021 Ipsy Glam Bag. So this is just a little sample duo here, but these look really pretty and I love trying out eyeshadows, especially trying out eyeshadow formulas from a brand that I've never tried before. These are cruelty-free, vegan, and they sound really nice. They're supposed to blend easily and they're supposed to not crease because of having a moisturizing agave extract. So if you have not seen my July 2021 Ipsy Glam Bag unbagging, I'll have that video linked in the description down below so that you can see all of the products I got. But so first, before I even apply this to my eyes, I want to go ahead and swatch them. So the copper shade is like metallic and the chocolate shade is matte. Oh my gosh, okay, these look really pigmented. Wow! That copper shade is so buttery, and the matte shade is also very pigmented. Wow, that copper shade is beautiful. It's a lot more like copper orange in the swatch compared to how it looked in the pan here, but that's definitely like a true copper shade. So pretty. Okay, these swatches really impressed me. I'm gonna test these out with and without an eyeshadow primer. So going in with the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion, and I'm just gonna apply this all over one of my eyes and blend that out. I feel like I could do a full eyeshadow look just using these two shades. So I'm gonna try out what I have in mind. So I'm gonna take the chocolate matte brown shade, a little bit of kickback, but not much. And I'm gonna blend this as that transition area. But oh wow, you can see right away, it goes on so pigmented. Let's see if I can blend and diffuse it out. Yeah, it really is blendable and it's looking really smooth as I blend it out. So this is actually a really great crease transition shade because I love to put a matte brown right here in the crease and up towards the brow bone to help emphasize the eye, create that contour. Yeah, I am already so impressed by these formulas. They just blend so easily and so pigmented. Seriously, what I look for in eyeshadows. And so I really like that in the crease. I think I'm actually going to take my finger and pick up some of the chocolate shade because I want it to be darker. Just going to place that down. Ooh, that looks great. Yeah, you can see the range of tone that you can get from the crease to the really opaque pigmented brown if you really layer it up. And that helps me be able to create an entire eyeshadow look using just these two colors, since I can get a range of different shades with this one brown. Like that seriously looks like two different eyeshadows. So now I'm just gonna go back in and blend the edges there. And then I'm gonna use my finger again and pick up the copper shade and apply this all over the rest of the eyelid. Oh my gosh. This shade is so impressive. It's just so foiled and pigmented and bright and just like very bold and impactful and so pretty. And I love how these two shades look together. Such a pretty combination. What do we think? I think that is a really beautiful brown copper smoky eye that you only need these two shades to create. And I almost forgot that one eye has the primer and one eye doesn't, because you really cannot even see a difference. And now I feel like to pull it all together, either of the shades would be good on the lower lash line. So, you know, I'm gonna mix them. I'm gonna pick up both of them to blend along the lower lash line. I love it, and I feel like adding that lower lash line just completed the look. Well, maybe some more mascara or even false lashes would fully complete the look, but such a difference it makes when you add the lower lash line as far as like completing the eyeshadow look. But here is the finished look, and I am so impressed. So impressed by the formulas, like so incredibly pigmented, blendable, easy to use, and so cohesive. I love that I was able to create a complete eyeshadow look with different tones, different textures, just using this duo. And this is definitely a look that I would recreate because I love how it came out and it's so easy. This would be a perfect little travel palette. So then it's all you need to do a beautiful glam brown smoky eye. And it's living up to the claims. I'm not seeing any creasing. So yes, I love this formula. I would love to try more eyeshadows out from this brand and even a bigger palette. So if you've tried this product or any of the other ARACELI eyeshadows, I would love to hear your thoughts on them in the comments down below. And if you have any recommendations for other eyeshadows that I should try. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.